Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mama Log, I love you.
Mama Lo, you love you din. Happy 60th birthday po, Mama Lo. I wish you good health. God bless po. Love you po, Mama Lo. Happy birthday, Mama Lo. Mag-ingat po ikaw dyan. We love you so much. Tapos po, Mama Lo, miss na ikaw namin ni Yana at ni Kuya El at ni Queen. Bye-bye.
Happy 68th birthday, Mama Lo. Sana po maging masaya ka ngayon sa birthday mo. At gusto na po, good health ka lang po palagi. I love you.
Pati Mama Lo. Pati Mama Lo.
Happy birthday, Ma. Salamat sa pag-asikaso, sa mga agin ko, pagpayaba. More birthday to celebrate. Love you.
Happiest birthday, Mama Lo. Many more birthdays to come. Always stay healthy. And thank you for always taking care of us. I love you so much, Mama Lo.
Hi po Mama Lo, happy birthday! I wish you good health po and more happiness. I love you po.
Happiest 60th birthday, Mama. Thank you so much for being such the best mom that we could ever wish for. Thank you so much for taking care of me, taking care of my siblings, and now taking care of your apos. Please, always, and be cautious to your health para long life tayo, Mother. Happy birthday, Mama!
Happy birthday, Mama Lo. Wishing you more birthday to come, more blessings, and good health. Sana makatuloy lang yung pag-walking dahil makakatulong yan sa ating kalusugan. Yung umaga, tsaka makakaligdan siya ng stress. Sana ngayong araw na to maging happy tayo, maging happy ka. Hindi lang pala ngayon, sana everyday maging masaya tayo, maging good mood lagi. Dahil kapag lagi masaya tayo, yung katawan natin ay masaya din at laging healthy rin. Huwag din kakalimutan lumapit kay Lord at maging grateful at thankful sa araw-araw. Yun lang, at lagi niyong tandaan na nandito kami ni Rose, laging nakasuporta sa inyo. At happy birthday ulit at ingat lagi.